Hey guys, me Anthony, we're about to eat. After this, we are gonna play Call of Duty Ghosts.
It is already played, guys. It has not ended yet.
Yeah guys, I might die pretty quickly. Yeah guys, so this one in front of the chair. Oh my god.
Aiden,
Yep.
I need to tell you something. I lost the truck.
Hey guys, we are gonna eat café con
How about I
pan.
lost the shake? I don't know.
So guys, leave in the comments below if you know what café con pan is, and tell me what your favorite costume is. Because Halloween's coming in like 2 more days. Evelyn, Halloween's coming in 2 more days.
I know. Leave in the comments who you guys are going to be for Halloween. I still don't know, but
Raise your hand who you are going to be, and raise your hand if you're going to be Jason the Killer. I am.
You go. I know. Me and Anthony were
Evelyn.
thinking about being Steve and
Alex?
Alex, but then we changed our minds.
Yeah, we started being something scary.
Yeah, because we're never. What about dead Alex?
And dead Steve?
Yeah.
No, zombie Steve and zombie Alex.
No, just dead. That is Alex. And
Nah, I'm still going to be Jason.
I'm gonna be a skeleton.
He's more funner too.
I'm gonna be whatever.
You know what, Evelyn?
Oh my gosh, everybody's talking to me at once. A witch. Okay, you want to be a whole bunch of things. First you want to be a princess, then you want to be this, then you want to be this and that, yeah. This is the part where we do
You know what I want to be? You know what I want to be?
take that.
You know what I want to be, I said.
That Anthony, that's one of your teammates' bombs. So you're okay, it won't blow up. Okay. No, you don't get answer.
¿No quieres de eso?
No, you can't answer.
Como el aire no, pues no hay, pues. No es como el aire. Toma un pedacito. Pues siempre te gusta a ti ese negro. Yo no sé por qué no quieres hoy de ese. Yo te traje ese negro porque según a ti te gustaba.
It's so soft. Looking for orange dots on the map.
Anthony, siéntate.
You gotta pay attention. Look at that. He shouts you like that. You gotta pay attention.
Okay.
He doesn't even know, like, he's not even paying attention.
Hey guys, what is up? It's me, Fred, back again with another video today.
Ay, no te ahogues, Aiden.
What?
But hey guys, what is up? It's me.
Guys, I just got dead. I do not feel like playing this. Why do you have so much fun?
It's cut both of us. So you should come over.
Because
Okay,
I think I'm a blind.
What got you?
I know.
Put cards and stuff.
That's it.
Yeah. Cut cards. Yeah.
Cut cards.
You're gonna be dead.
I know. Angelo, give me the controller.
No, I killed one. Only one. I like your new haircut, Angelo.
Thank you.
It's pretty lit.
Mine is pretty long.
No, it's short. Anthony, there was a guy right there. Stab him. Oh, come
Dang
on.
it. I tried stabbing him.
He's too far. You gotta get really close to like where you guys are kissing to stab him.
Oh.
Yeah.
Like really close where you kiss somebody and then stab him. Dang it.
Follow him.
Follow wherever you go.
They were all ganging up on you. There were 3 bad guys. Look at this. There were 3 bad guys all ganging up on him.
Quiet, Anthony.
That was funny. Watch out, Olivia. Watch out.
He didn't get him, the other guy got him.
Yeah, I know. 3 bad guys.
Are you eating Takis again?
There's a guy right there. Come on, Anthony.
Somebody killed him. Dang it.
No, nobody did.
Straight.
Okay, guys.
Toma ese patito para ti. No lo vas a tirar, Antonio.
Look at this coffee, guys. It's so beautiful. It's coffee. It's a bread. It's a coffee. It's a bread. It's a coffee. It's
Wait a minute. Am I in the dumb team?
No, you're on the full team.
I don't know.
We have this thing where it's like a dump team and a full team.
Bro.
And the people that we do not like
drinking
are on the dump
coffee.
team, and the people that are.
Yeah, guys, the people that are horrible go on the dump team. The people that are amazing stay on the cool team.
Yeah. And that's what we just do because sometimes the kids are just acting stupid, or they're just acting like ladies, or they're just doing some stuff like that. So they come on the dump team. And they get 3 tries. He has 2 more tries. Outdated. So not a cool team with that. You know what we should do? We all have 10. Anthony, your phone. We all have 10 tries. Anthony, we all have 10 tries.
Yeah.
And then if you're on the dump team, then you get to like, since you have 10 tries, you could say, oh, I'm gonna change one of my tries so I can be on the first team. Let's do that.
Yeah.
Okay. So we all have 10 tries. You have 9. You have 10. I have 10. He has 10. Wait, he has 9 and Olivia has 10.
Wait, I have 9?
Yeah. You have 9. Hey, you took my bread.
So we're showing you said.
Yeah, but you took mine, the one that I had.
You dare steal stuff.
Do you want one of our breads, Anthony?
Hey, did we just hear a guy?
¿Quieres suerte?
See.
Hey, where did you go? And then, shake.
I have not even touched my buffet yet.
How did you get over it?
That's how horrible I am. Is it my turn?
Shake.
Yeah.
And then,
It's
hey.
your turn, Evelyn.
Not me.
Tú tienes 2, dale un pedacito. Ya me acordé así. Toma. Anda.
Not me.
Somebody pick a gun! 10, 9, 7, 8, 6.
That's your turn,
That
Evelyn.
pack, I got that match.
Nice one for picking it.
Angelo, ama pan. Toma, Olivia,
But I
pan.
was gonna choose a different one.
Aquí, cómete tu pan con leche. Ahí siéntate. Toma.
I'm dying.
Watching replay.
¿Quieres pan, Angelo?
Because of me, we lost the lead, guys. Because of me. Olivia, I need you to move, please.
¿Quieres pan, Angelo?
My team.
¿Sí o no? ¿De cuál? Ahí traigo de rosita. ¿Quieres rosita o de ese?
And how did you get 2?
I never even got one.
Not the one that I gave Evelyn that one.
I've never even got one fun.
But I don't want a pan from over
No
there.
quiere del de rosita ni del que hay. ¿Está bueno, quieren? Allí hay.
You want the one that I got?
This little. Yeah. Here. Well, then you won't have any fun.
Déjalo, ya que no come.
Yay.
Déjalo, ya le dije que él no quiere.
Pick it
¡Ándale!
up now. No. Yes.
So I'm gonna pick it up.
Pick it up. Stop.
Déjalo ya, déjalo. Nomás ya no le des, no te vamos a dar, ¿ok? No lo andes tirando. Si no quieres, no lo tires.
Mama, look up.
Just put it here. Here.
Va, siéntese, ya me
Two.
voy a tocar.
That makes a big bread.
I already finished mine, Evelyn.
I love
didn't drop
these.
it or nothing.
Come on, we get on that chair.
¿No te acabaste el chaclemín?
You have to take off mine.
Stop! I was just going.
Hey, oye.
I'm not doing it to you. I'm just going.
Oye, ¿quieres pura leche o quieres con este?
Get on that chair.
Ok.
Oh no, we get it with this.
¿Con chocomil?
White.
¿De este?
Grandma, white.
Guay. ¿Quieres chaclemín?
White.
But if they're on the donkey, look at you can go in there.
And Aiden got another toy.
Oh, really? And you said you would promise to stop?
Okay, I'll stop. I'm just gonna keep the toy that I already had in my room.
Okay.
You should get candy.
Them with a week and then you let them go.
Aiden, you should like get candy to eat. Those are even better than toys.
Yes.
I'm
Or like
gonna,
ice cream if you like candy. Or like ice cream. But I'm
I'm
gonna end the video here.
candy.
We are gonna be making a Call of Duty video. But I'm gonna end this video here. So if you guys like it, give it a huge
Deja que
thumbs
vamos
up.
a tu cuarto a buscar lo que tienes.
Yeah, guys.
I
Jump up.
love candy.
It's good.